In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customer journey in Mailchimp. First, let's dive into why crafting a thoughtful customer journey is crucial. Whether you're welcoming new contacts, nurturing leads, or keeping your audience engaged, each step in the journey can significantly impact the overall customer experience. Mailchimp, with its user-friendly automation features, is a powerful tool to personalize and streamline these processes. So, let's get started. To begin, make sure you're logged out of any current Mailchimp sessions. Then navigate to the Mailchimp login page. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your username or email, followed by your password. These initial steps ensure that your session starts fresh, minimizing any conflicts or errors that might arise from previous sessions. Once you've successfully entered your login credentials, click on the Login button. This action will take you directly to the Mailchimp homepage, where a plethora of options awaits. But for today's purpose, we're focusing on automations, an incredible feature that allows you to send emails to your subscribers automatically based on triggers you define. On the Mailchimp homepage, locate and click on the Automations option. This is where the magic begins. Here you have two choices: to build your customer journey from scratch, or to use one of Mailchimp's expertly crafted pre-built journeys. For those just starting or seeking inspiration, the pre-built journeys are an excellent way to see what's possible. Let's explore the pre-built options. Mailchimp categorizes these based on various objectives, like engaging with your Shopify store's customers, welcoming new contacts, or nurturing leads. Each category offers a unique set of customer journeys tailored to specific goals. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the Welcome series. This journey is perfect for introducing new subscribers to your brand, setting the tone for your relationship, and providing valuable content right from the start. To select this journey, navigate through the categories until you find Welcome series, then click on Use this journey. After selecting Use this journey, you'll be directed to a new page where you can review the journey structure. At this point, if everything looks good to you, click on Continue. This action will take you deeper into the journey's specifics, allowing you to customize triggers, emails, and actions to fit your exact needs. However, here's a crucial note. Some of Mailchimp's advanced features, including certain customer journey automations, require a paid account. If you're prompted to upgrade your account to access these features, carefully consider the benefits. Upgrading can unlock a wealth of tools to enhance your marketing efforts, but it's important to ensure that the investment aligns with your business's needs and goals. Lastly, after reviewing and possibly upgrading your account, you're ready to dive deep into the customer journey builder. This powerful interface allows you to visually design and customize every aspect of your audience's experience, from the initial welcome email to follow-up messages based on specific actions like opening an email or visiting a landing page. Every interaction can be tailored to resonate with your subscribers. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough for creating a customer journey in Mailchimp. Remember, the key to a successful journey is understanding your audience's needs and crafting communications that are not only engaging, but also deeply personal. Experiment with different triggers, messages, and sequences to discover what works best for your brand. And always keep an eye on your campaign's performance metrics to make informed adjustments along the way. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Whether you're a seasoned Mailchimp user or just getting started, I hope this guide has illuminated the path to creating meaningful and effective customer journeys. Until next time, happy emailing.